Very cool. Now let's head back to the Polyfest where Alistair Kata is standing by. Alistair, what's going on over there?
Yes, kia ora, John. Well, joining me here now are some very special ladies from the St Cuthbert's College Samoan group who actually tutored themselves this year. So, Michaela, tell me, what was it like to tutor yourselves?
It was a really tough but really fun experience tutoring ourselves, and we were really glad to have that tough experience to improve our own leadership skills. And us leaders personally, we've been brought up with a really strong Samoan cultural background, so we've been taught from a young age to take up any challenge and to really overcome any boundaries, and our tutoring ourselves was a really fun experience, yeah.
That's fantastic. Johanna, how did your performance go this morning? You guys performed earlier on the stage?
Well, before we performed, we told the girls to perform their hearts out and to just really have fun up there on the stage. And I really think that our girls really had fun, and they performed their hearts out, and they did it for their families, their school, and especially the culture.
Beautiful. Now just tell me, what is it like for you guys to represent your culture in this way?
We're just really happy to represent our culture through God. He's giving us the strength to do that, and we're really happy to expose it to girls who don't have that Samoan cultural background. Yeah.
And what do you guys think about the other schools performing today? Have you seen any of the other schools performing?
Yeah, we just saw Macaulay and we think they're really good. But yeah, we're still so proud of all our girls, and yeah, just really proud of everyone.
Just lastly, what do your families think about this too? Because I guess they would think that it's important for you guys to carry on the culture.
Yeah, they think it's important for us to keep our culture in our hearts and try and expose it to as much, since our school is predominantly Palangi, so they're really happy for us to embrace our culture in any form or way we can, and they're really proud of us today, so we're really proud to make them proud.
That's awesome. Thank you, girls, for joining us this morning. More from Polyfest very soon. Back to you guys.
Thank you, Star.
We are so proud of you, all of you, beautiful people. I love the fact that, you know, we're all here in New Zealand, but we're still embracing our Pasifika culture.
Yes, and Polyfest is really important for that. I know for our Tuvaluans, you know, for the kids getting involved on the Polyfest stages, it's really meant heaps to them. Absolutely. In terms of the identity.
And there's Polyfest in Christchurch as well,
That's right. We're going to say big ups to all the students that are competing in the Polyfest Canterbury as well. We haven't forgotten you. All the best to the students there.